Is half equations confusing you? Let's break it down. First of all, they are called half equation because they represent one part of a redox reaction, either the part that gains or the part that loses electron. So simply, half equation represent either reduction or oxidation. That's what it is all about. Don't forget our acronym, OIL. Oxidation is loss of electron, reduction is what? Gain of electron. Now, how do we write half equations? If you have a reaction like magnesium plus chlorine to form magnesium chloride. First of all, you have to remember how to calculate the oxidation number. In the elemental state, the oxidation number here is 0, here is 0. If you know how to write formula from valency, you know that the oxidation number of magnesium here is +2, while that for chlorine is -1. Now, from here now, we can write the half equation. Oxidation, a process that involves loss of electron and an increase in oxidation number from 0 in magnesium to +2 on this side. That means magnesium went from what? 0 to magnesium 2+. And for it to become magnesium 2+, it has to lose 2 electrons. So we're going to have +2 electrons. And this is our oxidation process, the oxidation half equation. Now, let's look at the reduction half equation. The reduction half equation. Now, chlorine here is 0. From 0 to -1. For it to move from 0 to -1, it must have gained an extra electron. And that process is what? It has lost to the decrease in the oxidation number. From 0 to what? -1. It is decreased. So that is what? Reduction. So we're going to have Cl2. We accept 2 electrons to become Cl-. The 2 electrons because there are 2 atoms of what? Chlorine here. Now, if you find this interesting, give us a follow, like, share, and comment. Now, write the half equation for this equation on the board. Fe 2 plus Cl2 to form Fe3 plus Cl-. Please, I want to see the half equation in the comment section. Write the half equations in the comment section. See you in the next class.